When you're driving a Ferrari 812, performance is everything, but so is practicality. Would you love to lower your 812 or F12, but someone didn't check the box for the factory front lift? We have your solution. This system also features a push-button activated 40mm hydraulic front axle lift, giving you instant clearance when you need it most. With the included CAN control unit, your original Ferrari damper adjustment remains fully functional. TAG Motorsports is proud to be an authorized Novitec dealer, serving customers worldwide. We're also a top-tier Novitec installer, working with clients throughout Southern California. The result? The stance you want, the comfort you expect, and the performance Ferrari intended. Available now at TAG Motorsports for all Ferrari 812 Superfast, GTS, and Competizione models.